Rice-forum bonbonerum.
Sound like something from foreign man. Sound like Japanese. Give me it again.
Then I eat there.
Indian.
Oh, Indian. Rice-forum bonbonerum. RFDBA for short. You soon see the commercial on radio and television and in a newspaper and billboard and all them something there. Nice. You're lucky to get this, you know. So give me the money now.
Alright. The boss must please at this. Thank you, man.
What good. Yes. $500 for a pot of bun rice. Oliver boy, you're good, you know. Puncie. Please to set on another pot of rice there for me. And Puncie, this time make the fire high. You not be bun. Nice man, nice fit.
No, Mr. Oliver, it don't look so right to me at all. This part here.
It don't look too proper to me at all, sir.
Which part? But you look right to me. Hold up your arm.
A tear.
Here? Which part is it here?
Yes, man, it here. Me can feel the breeze that pass through from under my arm.
Oh, under your arm?
Yes.
Well, sir, you see that is for a reason. A very good reason.
Reason? What kind of reason?
You mean it not stitch strong? That is the reason?
Yes.
Shame on you, man. No stitch strong. This thing has stitched so strong is a shame. Look here.
You see that? You see what you do now, sir? Take it off from me, so it's not so good at all.
Just take off this old foolishness off of my husband, yeah?
But look now. Look how you tear up your husband nice jacket, eh? And him don't pay feature and you tear it.
Tear it up? Me tear it up? This is all rotten thing you done tear up long before me come in here. Listen, let's take off this old foolishness off of my husband.
You see that now? You see that now? It told me come in and come tear up my nice jacket. Well, somebody going to have to pay for it now, go sir.
Who's that paying a red cent for this thing, yeah?
How you mean you not pay for? You have to pay for it. That's what I mean. Oh, you must pay for me thing. You think so that was no?
Come here.
Oh no, you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Look here now, man. Look how you spoil up the whole of my business now. Eh? It's a wicked thing you do to me, you know. I did two to come in and I want to tear up the clothes and not watch there. We as a policy here. If you break it, you buy it.
But after we not break nothing.
Well, if you tear it, you wear it.
What kind of foolishness this?
Leave him to me.
Why, you deal with him, yeah? You not pay for no.
Well, hear me now, Mr. Oliver, sir. We's not paying a red cent on this young little coro jacket that you have up in here. You understand? Because it took them long time to tear up before we come in here. You understand me, sir? If you save a cow, brother.
But see, you're not only coming to my store and tear up my merchandise, but you also accost my pedigree. Well, it now goes so. Somebody going to have to pay for it, or is hell to pay.
Just take your old foolishness and come on, yeah?
Where?
Oh no, so no. Oh no, that's a advantage taker, liberty taker. Where? What's here? The jacket I did really rocking fit you. You watch me and Miss Cassie. And she can't come tell me, you know. And now make good name, all good for spoil up. He's a man with a reputation of selling good clothes, you know. It's just because he say, me get the foreign fever and me take the thing them where she can't come sell me. Look how me pass over me good local thing them. If you can't take up them, yeah? I don't know where they come from. It now go so do. It now go so. Somebody going to have to go pay for this jacket, yeah. It now go so. Puncie?
Yes, Mr. Oliver, is what now,
Please
sir?
to come here, please.
Is what now, sir?
Puncie, you can sew?
What kind of sewing, sir?
Oh, you mean what kind of sewing, girl? How much type of sewing you know them have? Me mean sewing like with needle and thread.
But them have machine sewing, sir. Them have hand sewing and them have embroidering, sir. Like cut work, fancy work, embroidery.
Alright. We were just thinking of sewing with machine, like in the 806 and 3/4.
Most time I don't know about that side here. No one type of sewing me know about. Me can hem stitch and me can sew on button and sometimes me can fell.
Fell? You mean fall?
No, sir, me not into that, sir. Me is a decent girl. Me carry myself proper as well, sir. When you take the needle and push it in the cloth, so, and you pull back the thread round back, so, and then you put the needle in the cloth, so, and you pull back the thread round back, yes, so, sir.
See again? Yeah, idiot, don't you? Look how you make me follow this dumpy needle and thread. You can sew or you can't sew.
No more than so, to tell you the truth, sir.
Me should I know. You have no help to me. Well, might as well.